we're interested in a nuclear receptor that's involved in drug metabolism. And so we're studying the effects of this nuclear receptor in response to chemotherapeutics. So we study breast cancer, and we're really interested in what happens in these breast cancer cells with this nuclear receptor when patients are being treated with chemotherapeutics. Nuclear receptors are a special class of proteins that function to bind up specific ligands or drugs. We've got about 17 different breast cancer cell lines that we study. Some are what are known as triple negative breast cancer cells. Those are the ones we're most interested in because triple negative seems to be the ones that more often will become chemotherapeutic resistant. A lot of what we do is in cell culture, and so our students will grow cells. They'll do a bunch of different treatments of cells. They will then follow up with all of the biochemical and metabolic type experiments that really show us what it is that's happening inside the cells. But we see it at the bench or on the machines that we have here in the lab. We start working with now our students even before they come to KCU. We work with some of the MKeep students in the lab. Those are the students who are pre-admitted to KCU, and we've started working with freshmen and sophomores at Missouri Southern State University. So they'll end up being in the lab for up to 7 years. We hope that they will take away from it a better understanding of really the science behind the medicine that they are treating their patients with, and really being able to understand how science works, how to read literature, how to understand what is a good study and what is a not so good study. At the end of the day, we'd like to make contributions to the overall scientific literature, but we also know that it's important just to give the students the experience of working in a lab.